Did you know your stomach growls because it's cleaning itself? Those rumbling sounds, called borborygmi, happen when your stomach and intestines contract to push leftover food and air through your digestive tract. When your stomach is empty, the noise is louder because there's nothing to muffle it. It's your body's way of resetting for the next meal. Interestingly, this process runs on a timer, not just hunger, so your stomach can growl even if you're not starving, especially if you skipped a meal. In animals, this cleaning rhythm evolved to keep the gut clear and ready to digest food efficiently. So the next time your stomach embarrasses you in a quiet room, don't be annoyed. It's just doing maintenance like a self-cleaning machine. That rumble isn't a complaint. It's a sign your body's still working perfectly.